Dear students, this is the video on meaning of social welfare policy. So before we start with the meaning of social welfare policy, let us try to understand the meaning of social welfare. So as per Merriam-Webster dictionary, social welfare is organized public or private social services for the assistance of disadvantaged groups. So as per this definition, social welfare is any organized public or private social service, and this is specifically for the assistance of a disadvantaged group. So, this is as per the definition by Merriam Webster Dictionary. Now, let us have a look at another definition by Walden University Library. So, as per the website of the Walden University Library, social welfare includes healthcare, empowerment, housing, and other programs geared towards assisting the poor, unemployed, and marginalized in society. So, this definition further elaborates what kind of social services may be included, like healthcare, empowerment, housing, and such other programs. And it also elaborates on what is the meaning of disadvantaged groups, like the poor, the unemployed, and the marginalized in the society. So, this further explains the meaning of social welfare. So, now let us try to understand the meaning of social welfare policy. So, as per the International Encyclopedia of the Social and Behavioral Sciences, social welfare policies are generally targeted to specific population groups such as families in substandard housing, children in poverty, the physically disabled, minorities historically disadvantaged or mistreated, victims of particular diseases. So, the International Encyclopedia of Social and Behavioral Sciences explains what are the target groups of these social welfare policies. So, they can be families in which are living in substandard housing conditions. It can include children in poverty. It can include the physically disabled. It can include minorities or also people suffering from particular diseases. So, this is as per the encyclopedia. Then, as per Saha, Al, and Dema, Emmanuel, social welfare policy is those statutes and policies that are directed to create positive change and well being at a broad social and community level. So, as per these authors, social welfare policy first, what I also it includes statutes, that is laws and policies, and they are directed or they have the goal of creating a positive change and well-being, not just at an individual level but at a broad social and community level. So, I hope that this explains the meaning of social welfare policy. So let us also have a look at some of the definitions of social welfare policy. So as per Howard Jacob Carger and David Stoys, social welfare policy is a subset of social policy that regulates the provision of benefits to meet to people to meet basic life needs. So at the outset, this definition says that it is a subset of social policy. So all social welfare policies are social policies. So, and these social policies regulate the provision of benefits to people to meet the basic life needs. So, to those people who don't have access to the basic life needs, these social welfare policies provide some access to these basic life needs. So, that is as per this definition. Now, another definition by yourdictionary.com says social welfare policy is defined as acts, laws, and rules that help to improve the lives of people in the community. So, this definition specifies that social welfare policy is definitely an act of the government or the state, because it defines the social welfare policies as including the acts, laws, and rules. So, now let us have a look at another definition by Mimi Abramowitz. Social welfare policy refers to the principles, activities, or framework for action adopted by a government to ensure a socially defined level of individual, family, and community well being. So, this definition at the outset says that it refers to it can either be policies, the social welfare policy can either be the principles, or they can be activities or the frameworks for the action which have been adopted by the government or the state. Why they have been adopted is to ensure a level of well-being, and this is a socially defined level of well-being for the individual also, for family also, for community also. So this definition also further elaborates the meaning of social welfare policy. Let us have a look at it. Another definition by Richard Titmus: those collective interventions that contribute to the general welfare by assigning claims from one set of people who are said to produce or earn national income to another set of people who may merit compassion or charity. So, this definition gives an intent and indicates that the source of social welfare policy or the funding of the social welfare policy is basically from the taxes collected from the general population. So, yet another definition by Walter Friedlander, which is quite inclusive, says that it is an organized system of laws, programs, and benefits and services which aid individuals and groups to attain satisfying standards of life, health, and relationships needed to develop their full capacities. So this definition is quite comprehensive. So it includes, it says that it is an organized system of laws, programs, benefits, and services. So the aim of this is to aid individuals and groups to attain a satisfying standard of life, health, relationships, so that they can develop their full capacities. So um, you can this is another explanation by Mimi Abramovitz, which really puts the meaning of social welfare policy in its entirety. It's quite comprehensive and explains everything about social welfare policy. So it says at the ground level, social welfare policy appears in the form of social welfare programs, benefits, and services used by people every day to address basic human needs. These needs include income security, health, education, nutrition, employment, housing, a sense of belonging, and an opportunity to participate in society. In some, social welfare policy can be thought of as a public response to problems that society is ready to address, a societal institution composed of government funded programs and services targeted to some definition of basic needs, and a strategy of action that guides government intervention in the area of social welfare provision. Though not all people employed by the social welfare system are trained social workers, social work represents the largest single profession working within the social welfare system. So, this really puts in a nutshell the entire meaning of social welfare policy, how it functions, why it functions, and what is its target population. So, I hope the meaning of social welfare policy is clear to all. Uh, these are the references which I have referred for making the contents of this video. So, thank you.